What makes a software engineer truly A plus in caliber? At CodeWalnut, we follow this 5C formula. The first C stands for code like a custodian, not like a contractor. That's code ownership. The second C is collaborate. You're not a one instrument music show. You got to be part of an orchestra. So you have to work with other team members and deliver delightful music or great software. The third C is the peak of this. That's client delight. We ask ourselves in our team meetings, what is that moment of delight we delivered for the client in the last week, last sprint? And client does not mean just end user. Client means internal stakeholders, the product manager, your technical architect, and there's more. The fourth C is community. Are you engaging with your community? Are you sharing good practices out there? Are you putting source code in the open source community? Are you participating in peer meetups? And when you do that, you eventually start to think about thought leadership. So that's why community is important. The fifth C, arguably the most important, is culture. Culture, both of culture of excellence and culture of ownership. If we are able to imbibe these 5 C's, we don't have to teach people specifics or how to communicate. With that conviction and confidence, we will be able to do well at work.